GAZ-MM truck returns in 2025 as a modern tribute to a legendary classic. Combining rugged utility with new-age efficiency, the updated model is built to withstand tough terrains and deliver reliable performance. Its exterior retains the iconic boxy silhouette but now features a reinforced steel frame, upgraded LED headlights, and matte-finished bumpers. The overall outlook blends vintage character with a touch of industrial sophistication. Under the hood, the 2025 GAZ-MM truck is powered by a turbocharged 2.8-liter diesel engine, pushing out 160 horsepower. While it's not built for speed, it delivers strong low-end torque, perfect for carrying heavy loads. The 5-speed manual transmission offers smooth gear transitions and optimal fuel economy. Its suspension system is heavily upgraded with leaf springs and twin shock absorbers in both front and rear, ensuring better stability even on rocky or uneven terrain. The truck's improved road grip comes from all-terrain radial tires mounted on steel wheels, enhancing traction in mud, snow, or gravel conditions. Speed-wise, the GAZ-MM can comfortably cruise at 100 km per hour, and although it's not a racer, its performance in endurance and load handling is unmatched in its category. Inside, the cabin is simple yet functional. The dashboard features analog dials blended with a small digital screen for fuel and maintenance alerts. It's designed for practicality with easy-to-reach controls. The interior materials are rugged, built to handle dust and wear. The seats are wrapped in dark brown vinyl with minimal cushioning, staying true to the truck's utilitarian roots. The GAZ-MM 2025 is a nostalgic workhorse, tailored for commercial use and rural transport. It's reliable, mechanically simple, and ready for long hours on the job. A perfect balance between heritage and utility for those who value durability over luxury.